Vice President Leni Robredo wants the public to be very discerning in the light of the Matobato allegations. According to the Vice President, the Matobato testimony cannot be immediately said if the witness was telling the truth or not. She also said that she was offended by Senator Alan Peter Cayetano's insinuation that the Senate inquiry is part of the Liberal Party's Plan B aimed at unseating President Duterte so she could take power.
Parati ko itong inuulit-ulit na tingin ko obligasyon natin lahat suportahan yung Pangulo. By support, hindi naman nangangahulugan na lahat na desisyon niya magsasang-ayon tayo. Pero kung may differences man yung ating paniniwala sa Pangulo, hindi yung dahilan para hindi na natin siya suportahan. Kasi yun nga, tingin ko, yung success nung Duterte administration, success yun para sa ating bansa. Sana walang impeachment na mangyayari at tingin ko naman hindi yun magpo-prosper. Pero pag dumaan na naman kasi tayo sa ganun na proseso, lalong gugulo kung, diba parang lalong gugulo yung sitwasyon.